Most intrusion detection systems are complex, expensive, and require heavy infrastructure. But what if you could run a real-time IDS, visualize anomalies, and simulate attacks, all inside one Python file? Meet SentinelTorq, URCP IDS PRO, an anomaly-based intrusion detection system powered by a lightweight URCP engine. It detects suspicious behavior, logs attacks, and shows live threat scores instantly right on your screen. SentinelTorq uses a compact mathematical anomaly model that reacts to sudden deviations in packet behavior. It's not just a toy, it's a teaching-grade IDS prototype designed for cybersecurity students, educators, hobbyists, and researchers. Here's what happens when we run the system. As packets flow in, the URCP engine assigns a score between 0 and 1. Higher values mean unusual behavior, and when the threshold is crossed, SentinelTorq instantly flags a potential intrusion. Every event is saved automatically to a CSV log, perfect for classroom demos, cybersecurity assignments, research papers, or machine learning experiments. With your download, you get everything you need: sentinel_torq.py, the full IDS, config.json, simple editable settings, readme.md installation guide, user guide PDF, commercial license, example logs, all ready to run with just Python and Matplotlib. Level up your security skills, build real dashboards, simulate attacks, and learn anomaly detection the right way. This is SentinelTorq, URCP IDS PRO, your first step into hands-on intrusion detection.